Morning, guys. Just gonna give you a brief tour of the market one town up from us, Dalaguete. It's one of the bigger ones. She wanted fish this morning, so we got up early, about 6:30, run up to the market. So I just wanted to give everybody a view of typical Philippines market. It's nice. I know a lot of people say, gotta watch the food and everything. That's why you want to go early in the morning. So we went up and got some fish. Then we stopped at our local market and had them grind me some pork because I want to make some Italian sausage. Stick around, check it out. Thanks for viewing. Have a nice day. Off to the market. Yeah, going that way. Morning, guys.
Morning, sir. Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Morning. Wifey wants some fish. Look at your fish. I know, go look at it.
It's not so smelly.
Okay. Checking for freshness, aren't you? I know what you're doing. Morning. You gonna eat all that?
You can put in the fridge.
Okay. How much is shrimp?
Is that really just nice, right? 832. You want that?
Maybe a smaller one.
I know it's a small
That's over.
Huh? Huh?
want, honey?
432.
If that's the one you want.
470.
Well, they went up.
Huh?
I think they went up.
You want?
No. Morning. Oh. Now to our local market. Drugstore here, closed. Morning. Morning. How much are these a kilo? Yeah, we just went to Dalaguete. They're $4.30. Well, that's it, guys. That's your typical Philippines market. Our local market on there, come to find out, Pampabo was a little bit cheaper, so it's hit and miss. A lot of times they don't have a big variety of fish at our local market. That's why we went up to Dalaguete. It's only about 10 minutes away. We like going up there, you know, get good prices on eggs and stuff up there too. Vegetables and fruits are really good up there. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.